Yeah, go against me, Alex. Yeah. I think I'm being very, very accurate with direction, though, but it doesn't matter. Yeah, yeah. Even talked about it on X, I think, on what is this spy candle? No, no, it's accurate, Alex. It's accurate, Alex. I promise you, $63. Yeah, that's this is the longest week I ever saw. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But it's not here on the daily, right? Oh, oh, that's nice at least. Mm, mm. Yeah. Uh, oh my god. Just on Spy, right? Oh. Yeah, so the problem I've been talking about on Thunder Next is that I also need slightly bigger days to be able to take payouts. So that's also why I'm doing 4 with a bigger drawdown. Yeah, what happened? Silver had a slight jump of 14% pre-market, 30 now. Uh, oh, really? 30? Yeah. Uh, previous week low, 74.0. Yeah, good supply area. But man, that thing is volatile. It's like a beast. This 14% doesn't look like anything. Yeah. So where have you stacked them, Alex? I just want to know from personal preference if I ever go to Pennsylvania, pencil. No kidding. Oh, don't say it here. Samir's here. He lives near you. Mm. Yeah, you're building that Joakim von Anka vault, right? You can swim in it. Donald Duck. Yeah, perfect. Oh, I think it looked good. Could be totally wrong on the downside today, by the way. Mm. Mm. back test lower. Canada slowly maybe drift down. Yeah, that's my. So when do you cut? Because you don't really have a stop on those long terms. When do you cut them, or do you ever cut them? But what happen if you get to like one that just slowly grinds down for years and years? I'm just wondering how you typically do it, right? You never experienced that? Oh, oh, yeah, yeah. It's the smaller long go for me that never turned around. But not small cap, not that small cap, but smaller than the bigger cap. So in USA terms, when I buy it in Sweden, it's like micro cap for you guys, the bigger companies. Yeah. Yeah, still playing that age pattern out. Should take the low probably. Oh, it's already. Never mind. It's low, well below the low. It's 43. Yeah. Right to 43. 43.75 at the moment. Uh, but man, I need payouts from stocks to from future trading to be able to buy more. Uh, so I'm not gonna do that, I guess. For me, it's always easy to. It's always easy hindsight. Yeah, 348 is the 94.8, 95. Yeah. Yep. I was gonna start to see. It's a good one though. It's a good one. Oh, don't look, Alex. Don't look. It's better to three 300, 280, 290, something like that, right? I think. Oh, oh yeah. No, 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 no. Oh, USD to SEK is increasing. Nice, nice. Come on, make the dollar strong. Sitting right on that long term. I talked with the Swedish guy who's new here. He's gonna take 2 weeks off or something like that with his new work stuff. He traded overnight and blowed his account. Uh, uh, he's gonna take a breather. It's one of his problems. So do you know how many percent you have in gold and silver, Alex? Or should I dare to not ask that? You maybe don't want to disclose that. Yeah, of
I
your
think
total. How much
your
are you
allocation.
hedging? Yeah, allocation.
I personally have like 20 to 30%.
Some percent then. Uh, I had 12%, I think, in metals, but it's not only in gold and silver. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Same. Same. Oh, now we. Oh, see some selling here. Yeah, right too. Oh yeah. Mhm. Sometimes we can get in a trade between them. I've seen that. Yeah, also. Microsoft just sold harder, by the way, on that open. No. Yeah. See, Alex, I'm on fire. Okay. Did I short it? No, no, I did not. Did not. Liked it. Yeah, same. Yeah, same. Tesla saw a nice bounce there overall. Not Nvidia though. Apple and Tesla, Meta holding up here. Good, but big also. Yeah. Yes, it's had earnings and it wasn't bad per se, but just they let go of the CEO and yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Still see selling pressing here. No, I just filled the imbalance on the 30-minute there. So buyers. We filled the gap there on the downside on that low candle. Or we didn't? No, okay, very. Yeah, 836 should fill. Yeah, we should have shorted there for that 8336. That was nice. Yeah. Which was 40 points actually. Yeah, seller stepping in again. You were right, Alex. Nvidia is selling quite hard there on that reaction. Yeah. 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 I would not want to short into here now. I think the too short was already done for the moment, but I could be wrong here. Depends on Nvidia and other tickers here. Yeah. Data in 5. Yeah. I talked with Alex about the Hedwig's crash yesterday, and we could see selling today also coming in if they want to lose structure here. But based on the 4-hour, it's possible with some names also. Nasdaq selling a lot deeper than ES here. Fill up that 4-hour imbalance, 799, 800. He has lost right overnight low there. Aggressive sell there on all tickers. Yeah. 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 Mhm. Every ticker that looked strong gave up their move also there. Meta, Apple, Tesla, the played H. Yeah. It should be 10 a.m. Did you see how high the ESM was yesterday, by the way? 52, I think. Expected 48. Yeah. It's big. It says that you're gonna have less chance of a rate cut then, right? If I'm correct. With higher, probably. Yeah. Yield should move though, the market, I mean. Looking good for first bounce here, I think. With some tickers. I had a level there at 724 on Nasdaq. Oh. I like it the 760, 770 there to overnight low, 830. 5 backtest. Overnight, yeah, 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 same. Mm. Yeah, we were looking to long before. I think this was probably the pull up though, possibly. If we don't see overnight low here, could still see it of course, but not seeing the buying pressure here. I just answered Hitch's question about the long meant before. Now we already got that. Push up. ES trying to buy back up. That's 7k there. Yeah. Delta in 8 now. Bum, bum. Yeah. Some ticker are holding up here. Apple, Google, Meta. Wouldn't say that Nvidia looks strong. Same with Tesla, Microsoft, but Nvidia has still not lost overnight low here. But yeah, yeah. Looks kind of good based on. Yeah, Nvidia doesn't look strong from that pop. Same with Tesla here. So, well, at least, yeah, at least that's a new end lot here, or 700 psych. Yeah, yeah, took out the. Yeah. It's quite volatile. Moving out fast. Yeah. Nvidia lost the overnight low. Tesla sold there. The weave up. Didn't need Apple at all. Yeah, yeah, When you said this would be a good for short, we were at 800. Perfect entry there. So that's, didn't see overnight low there. Yeah. Mm. Yeah. Yeah, you don't want to hold through that, right? Yeah. Yeah, ES let go here. Wow. And we see that follow through with ES also. Went overnight low bounce. Yeah. Yeah, going fast, please. Nvidia selling, yeah, selling deep here. Most tickers. Mm. Mhm. Well, hit show bias was right. I liked shorts also. Just, I really hate 9.5, 10 a.m. data sometimes. Can't they just do it 10 and just, or like 8? 8 would be best. 8:30. First supply on ES here for me. Coming in here. It's fine. We miss opportunities every day. Yep. Yeah, VIX is mooning from that open. Yeah, right from supply. Yeah. Yeah, super quick. Mhm. Yeah, possible. Possible. Yeah, head and shoulders looking good on weekly on Nvidia there, but it's a weekly pattern. Mm, no. Just the right shoulder thing out. The hourly? No, 12 points. Yeah, 11. It's not a lot, but don't think it matters. Sometimes it doesn't get filled. Sometimes it does. Down to 40. Oh yeah. It was very close. Never mind. Yeah, 7 points. Nice. Well done, bro. Google holding this previous week high right now. Yeah. Yeah. This is supply on me for ES, but I was quite aggressive sell. Yeah. Yeah. Could also be the place where new seller steps in. 600. It's hard to tell, yeah. Yeah, 540, right? Yeah. I think it's possible to short it though. At 540. Oh, okay, now we 80. Oh, okay. When I said that, we was at 90. We were at 90. It was 50 points. But you know, it was 50 when I started to speak. Then it went down. But even a wick under would be 10 points more. But yeah. Oh, Nasdaq, it hit P-Lod. Was right at 540. I was gonna increase. Yeah, I was gonna increase the size, but I'm not sure about it. This is some type of buyer trying to defend this P-Lod here. 540. I have nothing here on ES though. This is just supply on Nasdaq for me. We're under supply for me on ES. Yeah, I was gonna increase to my normal size of 4 MNQ. We're not talking about high sizes here from 3, but yeah. based on how this move, I don't think a 200 point gain from 3 MQ is a problem here. Some buyers there coming in. CVD flipped up slightly there. Still down minus 15k on the CVD on MQ and minus 4 on Nasdaq, but so slight dip there on that new low with Pilod. Yeah. I think the entry was hold above Pilod though, and not as much here. I could be wrong. And then the 30 point stop was valid. No. Close above 570 yet. Google had nice supply on previous week high, but same with Apple trying a higher low here. Yeah. Good. Yeah, they sold it on the close there on the minute. Yeah. $600 reacted quite decent there actually. Mm. It was a good move from the peeler though. Yeah. But that was, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I think we're too late. We needed to short a lot higher. Yeah, yeah, the break there. That's 70 close there. Guess was. If yeah, Nvidia selling here still a lot. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And Meta also. But do you agree you want to short that well above Pilo there, right? Oh, you kind of said it right. 570, 560 at least. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, because that 540 entry, just gonna get that 570 imbalance feeling, you're gonna be stopped, kinda. Right. Yeah. Yeah, right to payload on 470. Tesla, Apple bought there. Quite nice. Almost. Yeah.
Honestly, I don't think longs right here. It's bad. Hmm.
Yeah, ATR is almost 80.
Damn. Yeah, it looks like it's creating. Looks like it's creating an H setup on MQ too. I mean, it's holding in that support and resistance channel. Yeah. I joined late as well. I was like, why didn't we take this huge breakdown? But I heard something about news, so I kind of understand now.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah. We actually kind of missed them. Or I would say they were valid. Yeah. Yeah.
We will see.
Did you take something, Rich?
Yeah, I joined so late. I
Oh,
joined it at 9:50.
yeah.
And that, I mean, we were getting a pull high, a little bit of a pull up, and then it just continued going down. But I was so out of it and confused why we didn't take a trade that I just sat here and waited.
Mhm.
I'm thinking about it though. Yesterday I took a loss, but then yeah, I took a loss because I pulled out of the trade early, and then I built, and then I got it right back. Maybe like 10 minutes after we left.
I still don't dislike this long here.
Mm.
Overall.
Because it's held inside. Yeah. Let's see. I'll try it out. I haven't taken anything. 51.
Are you stop at 21 then, or? Oh, that's sold directly there on the 60. Didn't want to see that. Yeah.
Instantly. Wow.
Yeah, I'm out. I'm out.
Wow.
Never mind. Yeah, let's call that directly. Apple sold. Yeah, Meta sold.
I think I might.
Yeah, that didn't work. Yeah, it reacted at 60 again. Yeah. Yeah.
Unfortunate. Unfortunate. I'm thinking about changing my stops though from 30 points to probably like 20 or 25. So like, yeah, damn near perfect entry.
Well, I didn't dislike that, but that got invalidated really fast on that 5 minutes. Right. Yeah. 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 Based on volatility. Yeah, volatility wise, it should have gone 60 to 600 very fast there if it broke, though. So, but yeah. 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 I liked it when they bought back up above p-hod. So buyers, but yeah, that didn't matter at all. We just sold it.
My question is, which one do we follow? Should we have followed the H setup? Should we have followed the flag? Just there's like two. Yeah.
Oh.
Mm.
Yeah. That's true.
I think we just entered in way too early. Probably should have entered in maybe on the like the 480s for the longs. Take a position on equal lows.
Yeah, that was a breakout then too, so it would be right or wrong very fast. Yeah. Went down to supplier again, to some buyers again.
A W setup. Here.
I don't see a W setup. I don't know what you're.
On the 1 minute. I still don't hate this. I like this a lot actually. I think I may re-enter. It looks solid. I'd rather not be stopped again.
Yep. Where's the stop?
Yeah, it's still in that range too. I think I'm gonna just walk away and see if this goes or not. Ay. entry is super high.
Yeah. Just a week.
I'm still in it, but I'm gonna walk away, honestly.
No. No, I get tagged also.
I'm
Totally.
in. Still. I'm in. My stop is at 27.
On the tick. On the tick. Yeah. Yeah, I like it also.
I don't really feel like being waked up. That's my thing, honestly. I'll be back. I gotta pee. How the fuck do I even set limit orders? What is this?
Not really seeing momentum to the upside either, though.
I got stopped. Unfortunate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's a good idea. We missed kind of a lot of setups, then tried the reversal, didn't work. So. Uh, dun, dun.
Yeah, we might support resistance. I mean, it's accurate. We're basically we long twice at the highs. Not looking at that. I need the support resistance.
Yeah.
Unfortunate. Hmm.
VIX is flagging to the upside. Yeah, feels a bit nasty not taking the shorts and then gets punished on the longs, but that's how it is. That's how it is. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I still like a pop here, but it could.
I swear to God, if this goes, I'm gonna kill myself.
No, don't say like that, because it's like I see some buying here now, so
No.
you're like highest chance that you're gonna need to kill yourself. We don't want that. Uh, Yeah. Oh my. That fucker.
Oh way, man.
We took that to yeah. That's being too fast there, I guess. But yeah. I don't know if I would have taken it there at the 500 though. But yeah, we should close the short.
The real question is where does it
I'm
go?
feeling fine though. It's fine. It's fine.
I'm definitely upset.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm definitely upset about that.
A quite decent red day, so I'm gonna. Yeah. Oh, I'm a lot weak on the red on the week now. It's fine. Yeah. Yeah, or slight B. You could say B. B. Yeah. So 2-0-2. You could say. Yeah. No. It's fine. Well, the read we had for reversal here was not that bad, but timing. 1, 2, 3. It's so hard one. Yeah. Yeah. This has room to 630 for me, at least. So. Yeah. Okay. I'm not gonna sit there anymore now, because this is gonna feel nasty when if it produces a nice. I mean, it's still already now feels a bit nasty. Yeah. Good job, Hitch, by the way. Good
The
job.
king setup too, which is super unfortunate. She got whipped out twice.
Yeah.
Oh, I was still on it, so I'm back in profit.
I'm not.
But
It's
how
like 2
did you not get
losses.
tagged at 500?
I know I moved my stop loss all the way down to like
God
what
damn.
480. So I was doing 2 MNQ today.
Okay.
Yeah.
Makes sense. I'm trying to recoup some sort of loss. That was 2 straight losses. That's negative like 4 something. That's crazy. That's why I'm thinking about moving my stops from
Oh.
30 to like 20.
But you're gonna get stopped more doing that, by the way.
That also.
Losses is part of the game, bro.
Yeah.
Just has been having it a bit rough from Thursday to now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Take care, guys. Take care.
Alex,
Yeah.
I changed my size from one Nasdaq to mini. Oh, sorry, micro. 6. Yeah, yeah. Since it's not any slippage anymore, so I think one Nasdaq was too much for me. So I just changed it. You know, all accounts are funded, so I just don't want to blow these accounts. So yeah.
Yeah. Now you're glad we took that conversation before the trade, Samir.
Yeah,
We
that
talked about
actually
it a lot.
worked out.
Uh,
That actually worked out. It worked out, Philip. So we need to chat again tomorrow.
No,
In
no,
the
no, no,
morning.
no, no. I was just early today. Okay,
Yeah.
take care, guys. I'm gonna go. See you tomorrow.
All right.
Bye bye.
Take care, guys. See you tomorrow.